Uyabona la uyakhona wena uyaya esihogweni wena Sathani wena uSathani yazini angazi ngijoleleni nawo sis yazi lezi zinto ezenza ziyanyanyisa abuthuthu lena
Sathani guys.
hey what's that king yazini ngifuna I want my shoes eLouis Vuitton ngiyafuna ngoba uzowathengisa vela ngithi ungawathengisa utwarekisha wena karujwalo wena uzongibophisa nala amaphoyisa wangiwasabi bahlanganise bonke nihlangane ninonke niyezwa bahlanganise lexhakanela kwawufela letho ngitseba butsa butsotse lena untwela kampi 15k every fucking month unanoma wena
Thank you so much, Lisa.
sis
I'm already 5 months. You're going all out ka 5 months mfethu.
mfethu re tare mfethu ke le rato mfethu o rata motho mfethu you go all out mfethu and especially our guy potential re tare bana
So no, she says she's leaving you for someone who has more back than you. Hi. So it's about who has the back.
abuzutso ra re mo yena o ra it's about the bag or re chelete matters more than lerato mo yena obo so na according to me na aksa fa ngwanyana chelete mo phelong ba re tla bona re tla ba testa maybe 1 year pele before ke thomo mo fa girlfriend allowance ka re no we lo jere di bona mo ke
So
tsheba
you
di
do believe in girlfriend allowance?
yona ke nana re yona ke I believe shem ke nana re ba deserve nyana le bona mara le ba ntse ba tellana ka mo so hey
Maybe if I single in now, be single and rest with like a motho a ratang on a, you know.
mara ena ke sa morata thando yena ke bona bothata
Mara thata ke gore wa mmona ra go rata yena. So o ska mo force like. Phela tšhelete ka se le motho ra go rata. You know that.
ai vele
Because if you now rata ka so tlogela for someone who has more money, but unfortunately these days money has more influence in relationships, so there's nothing we can do. Sorry man. Can you give viewers maybe advice about the relationships?
bafethu njalo wanyesa ne please don't chase money, chase love first or else be single and chase your own money. Let's ka tla mo la le toro khopela di chelete banna ke le khopela. If you are not ready for a relationship, don't go for a relationship. If you are ready, when you are fine and consistent with yourself, that's when you can go into a relationship. Because what I've just experienced right now is very traumatizing and disgusting. So
Can we get you a therapist or psychologist?
please,
Yeah, man.
please.